To be very, very truthful, in this second model, I've learned how to interact and live a safe community through tolerance and peaceful coexistence, especially drawing from the father lecture delivered by Professor Koroglo and Professor Abarasi from the Nile University, and the wonderful presentation of Pastor James Huye. They've really taught me how to really communicate with people, how the Abrahamic religions comes together to build interfaith centers and train young men, especially in America, Egypt, and some other part of the world like Germany and Israel. And this I tend to use to achieve peaceful coexistence in my community, because it is the persons with disabilities that suffers most in the face of conflict, because this area of conflict tends to increase the population of persons with disability. Hence, I need to make my community very, very peaceful. Let them understand the principle of coexistence, tolerance, and how to communicate, because communication has been a major drawback that causes misunderstanding and led people to various ideas. And we want to learn forgiveness. We don't really to rely on the past. Have a tabula rasa mind like a newborn baby, so that we can live, because we believe in one God, one Allah, and one supreme being. We also need to incorporate the African traditional religion settings, who are neither Christians nor Muslims. We need to incorporate them so that we can have a better world than the one we are having today.